Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Genpact announced mega virtual recruitment drive for B.Tech BE graduate in any specialization. Let's see about the job role and description, roles and responsibilities, eligibility criteria and job application link. Don't skip the video. If you still not subscribe our channel, do subscribe to know more job updates and career development. Genpact is an American professional services firm legally domiciled in Bermuda with its headquarters in New York City, New York. The company currently employs more than 1 lakh people and provides services to clients in over 30 countries worldwide. Job role: Process Associate, Engineering Technicians. Job description: Engineering technicians responsible for make-ready engineering, MRE, and pole loading analysis, PLA, to help ensure that new utility pole attachments made by our customers meet utility standards and applicable codes. Responsibilities: Determine if the existing pole configurations require make-ready engineering, MRE, for a new attachment per NESC GO 95 requirements. Develop new attachment plan to address clearance violations. Perform pole loading analysis, PLA, of existing and proposed pole configurations. Create work orders based on MRE and PLA results. Review pole data collected in field for accuracy of existing attachments. Manage assignments and meet/exceed production goals. Use data/project management systems to document and track project progress. Be willing to assist other project teams if workflow requirements dictate. Track and report on progress of production projects. Track time spent on projects and maintain schedule. Contribute to other related projects and plans not specifically noted necessary to obtain project objectives. Preferred qualification: 0 to 1 years of related experience. Associate's degree in a related field is preferred but not required. Basic understanding of databases and entering data using modern technology and software. Overhead utility recognition experience is A+. Working knowledge of Microsoft Office products and effective and efficient use of modern computers. For data management experience or certification in advanced Excel with SQL background. Location will be Termini, Chennai from office. Other details: Salary, 2,5 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. Job location, Chennai, nearby Termini. Employment status, permanent. Education, BE, B.Tech in any specialization. Year of passing, any passed outs can apply. Recruitment process, virtual. Work mode, work from home, work from office.